This is Unit 7, Week 3, question number 1. All this week is about the Depression. How big was it? It was the Great Depression. Pretty severe. Anyways, what are the basic causes of the Depression? Well, first of all, a couple terminologies. A recession is a slowing in the economy. A depression is an actual negative drop. So in a recession, say, the economy is always measured in quarters, 3 months of the year. So if over 3 months it grew 1%, 3 months later it might grow 1.5%. 3 months later it's up to 1 3/4. That would be a slowly growing normal economy. A recession would be, it went from 1.5 to 1 1/4 to 1. It still grew more than it was before, but it's growing slower than it did previously. Now, a depression, on the other hand, is when the total value actually goes down. In a depression, the numbers of goods and services to the entire United States, which is called the gross domestic product, how much money everybody made put together, divided out per person would be per capita, GDP. If that number actually goes smaller, then you're into a depression. However, it usually has to be for 2 or 3 or quarters or more. But a continually shrinking economy is a depression. And the business cycle is when the economy goes, in capitalism, for a couple of years, it goes up, expands, people are getting hired, then slowly it drops down. So this capitalism business cycle is a typical pattern every 2 to 6 years. And a recession would be a slowing in it. A depression would be a massive drop in the business cycle. And that's it from some guy in an Aloha print shirt. Back with part B in a moment.